Bantayog Festival. Bantayog Festival is a historical festival and founding anniversary celebration held in the province of Camarines Norte, Philippines every April. It is a festival that gives tribute to the heroism of Jose Rizal and local patriots who took part in the Daet Revolt in 1898. History of Bantayog Festival. Camarines Norte holds a unique place in Jose Rizal's legacy. The festival name, Bantayog, honors the first monument built for the national hero. It was erected in Camarines Norte in February 1899, a full 14 years before the iconic Luneta Monument, inspired by Rizal's call for the reform and nationalism. The people of Daet rebelled against Spanish authorities in 1898 and led siege to Florencio Arana's residence, where the Spaniards took refuge. The Bantayog Festival began in April 2005 as part of the province's 85 founding anniversary celebration. It honors both Rizal national significance and local heroes of Camarines Norte.
Minsa'y natuwa ang may likha, 7,000 pulo ang ginawa. Mga hiyas na inilatag sa malasutlang dagat. At ang bayan niyang pinili, nasa dulo ng bahaghari. Kaya't 1,000 kulay nangaakit kumakaway. Piliin mo rin ang Pilipinas, kapulo ang kwintas ng perlas. Piliin mo, yakapin mo, kayamanan niyang likas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas. Kasayahang di mapatid, ramdam sa bawat awit. Sama sisiglang indah, mga puso'y lumilipad. Piliin mo rin ang Pilipinas, kapulo ang kwintas ng perlas. Piliin mo, yakapin mo, kayamanan niyang likas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas. At ang ngiti ng may kapal, taglay ng bawat nilalang. May lambing na tumutuyan sa buong pakiramdam. Piliin mo rin ang Pilipinas, kapulo ang kwintas ng perlas. Piliin mo, yakapin mo, kayamanan niyang likas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas. Dito ay itinadhana, araw, buwan at mga talas. Ganap na magniningning, kailan may di magdidilim.
Yeah, if you know what I'm talking about. Suitcase in the house, put the party's out. First choice, first love, if you ask the crowd. Come and shout it out. Everybody's gonna dance to this. I see the whole world party in the Philippines. Now with Angelique, Quinto Bueno on the TV screen.
This is like a samba, coming into Manila with the hitting and drums. Yeah, so shake it up and dance it like no more drama. And check it out, it's Philippines, no one other. The world keeps stopping, but we ain't walking. We keep on dancing, that's how we rock it. 7,107 islands of beauty, see pieces of heaven.
Piliin mo rin ang Pilipinas.